Hey guys, I haven't seen you in ages, it feels like. I haven't made a cosplay video in quite a while, so welcome back. Today we are doing some elf/fae ears that I made myself. A couple of you are wondering where I got them. I made them. Let's get to it. Starting with a piece of foam, I've cut to the desired shape. I've secured it to my head cast. If you don't have a head cast, you could easily do this on a person. Just make sure not to get it in hair, because liquid latex does not do well on hair. Likewise, make sure to lay down some towels or something that you don't mind getting liquid latex on, because it's going to be on there forever. So don't do this on carpet. For this project, I am using cotton balls and liquid latex, and I have taken the cotton balls and already pre-separated them into little strips that are a little bit more workable. I am dipping them in the liquid latex and placing them where I would like to place them. When I'm doing this, I'm not doing too much because I don't want the ears to be too heavy, just enough that I can glue them on as prosthetics, as well as get the shape that is desired and a less foam piece glued to my ear shape, if you know what I mean. If you are a huge texture sensitive person, you may not like the texture of these materials. I definitely didn't, but my solution was between every piece of cotton ball that I was putting on there, I was off camera rubbing my hands together and getting all of the dried or partially dried liquid latex off of my hands. This is a very messy project. I would suggest doing this anyways, just because it does help you get a more even texture with the liquid latex, because if it does start to dry on your hands, it will stick to the cotton and give you an uneven texture. So I would take your time with this project and make sure it's as even as possible. Unless, you know, a lumpy look is what you're going for, then that's totally valid too. After I've gotten my desired shape, you'll see me using tissue and using the same technique to put it over top. I find this just gives it less of a fibrous texture and more of almost a skin texture. It makes it look a little bit more believable and helps to smooth out any uneven pieces. And once that is done, I off camera added a couple more layers of liquid latex, just liquid latex. This helps to even out even further. For this project, I used a little bit of acrylic paint as a base because it sticks to the liquid latex just a little bit better, and then the makeup over top to give it a secondary tone. And then to adhere the prosthetic to me, I used eyelash glue. You could use spirit gum or whatever skin safe adhesive that you have or prefer. I just usually use eyelash glue. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my tutorial. If you do try any of this out or you try this technique, please tag me. I would love to see your creations and what you do with it.